Thank you so much, Claire. I'll take a quick second to thank Claire and Beyond Impact for gathering everybody here and allowing us to have a place where we can talk about the amazing products and things that we're doing. It's so awesome to be one of the brands presenting today. So I wanted to quickly tell you my background. So I came as a wardrobe stylist to celebrities, and they were buying $20,000 to $30,000 worth of leather shoes a month. So I started creating vegan luxury shoes. So I was the first in the world to create a luxury vegan shoe in Italy. And what I found doing that is that materials is a big part of what's going on with shoes. So you don't really think about it, but the hardest on material is making a shoe, because when you wrap a heel or when you use the upper or mount the sole to the upper, you're using a tremendous amount of heat, pressure, and torque. And so I wanted to do something about it and create a brand new material. So EcoHyde is something that brought to my attention that the leather industry is 500 billion dollar industry. So this is a very large industry. If you compare it to the movie industry that is $100 billion, you can really feel how large this is. 47% of the leather that is consumed is used in shoes. So it was right in my lane, and it was very exciting to think of ways that I could do something about that. Introducing EcoHyde. EcoHyde is a amazing product with no plastic, no petroleum, no animals, made from 60% upcycled fruit and vegetable waste, science-backed, durable, scalable, customizable to bespoke different needs, and we're here to give back.